Hi, I'm Simon. I'll show you how to paint these loose blossoms on a summer canal. I'm starting with a light wash over the canal area. This is all about keeping things soft, so I'm using plenty of water and not overworking it. For the blossoms, I'm dropping colour into a damp surface. This helps the edges stay soft and natural. Try not to control it too much. Letting the paint move is what gives that loose effect. Now I'm adding a bit more definition with a drier brush. This helps bring some structure back into the scene without losing the softness underneath. Once the paper is dry, you can add in darker tones to really make the main focus of the blossoms and the barge stand out. Here, I apply a wash followed by scratched out reeds using a palette knife edge. Now it's time for the blossom shadows, using a dry brush loaded with dark pink. And after a few more little details, that's the finished piece. Keeping things simple and knowing when to stop really helps maintain that fresh watercolour look. I hope you found that helpful. If you'd like to see more watercolour tutorials like this, feel free to subscribe.